Hi, I'm Jim Glickenhaus, and we're here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. We actually have two cars. We have our new race road car, SCG's 003. It's in the Michelin Supercar paddock. And we have this old girl, which is 10 years old, Ferrari P45 by Pininfarina. And this car we made with Pininfarina 10 years ago. It's the only example of it. It's, of course, Enzo based. It premiered at the Paris Auto Show in 2006. And it's really a wonderful car. 15,000 road miles on it. And interestingly, Ferrari had nothing to do with the car. We built it with Pininfarina, and it was only when it was done that Luca Montezemolo took a look at it and decided, okay, this is a Ferrari, and then he closed the door on anyone else doing it. So this is really the only Ferrari ever built entirely outside the Ferrari system that's an official Ferrari.